Hi there, Mr. Ben here. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're having a great day. If you're not, I pray that God grants you the strength that you need to keep on going. And I pray that may His blessings be upon you today. I just want to share a few words of encouragement and motivation your way. And I really hope that it goes a long way to help you out. I really hope that it goes a long way to give you some perspective on how to tackle on some certain things that may be holding you back from making progress in your life. I just want to talk about progress over support today. Most of the times we are always very upset, we are always shy, and we say that we don't get a lot of support from friends, we don't get a lot of support from family. And I don't think that support is actually what we want. We want to really see progress, and the fact that we are not seeing progress, we just shy away, and we want someone to blame for it. And so we say that we don't get support, people are not supporting our business, people are not pushing us, people are not clapping for you and all that. And it's understandable because sometimes it gets really hard when you're chasing your dreams or when you're working on something that you're really passionate about and you put in all that effort, and it just feels like there's no one around you who is recognizing the work that you're doing. Nobody really cares about what you're doing and all that. But the truth is, we don't want that support that we so much complain about, because each time we are making progress, we do not care if there is somebody out there cheering for us, clapping for us, or even asking us how things are going, how we are putting things together. So each time you find yourself in a state of thinking that, oh, maybe I'm not getting support, I'm not getting claps, I'm not getting like encouragement from people, just know that you just need to focus on making progress, because progress is actually what you want to see. And all this happens, all these complaints start coming in when you are feeling stuck, when things are not moving like the way you want to. And so you're always finding like an excuse, you're always finding something else to put the blame on. And who else to blame better than those who are around you, better than your loved ones, better than your friends? Because normally you will expect that they should be able to tell that you're putting so much effort. They should be the ones encouraging you, they should be the ones pushing you. But people are really not going to support you because you want them to support you. And also you have to leave them to support you how they want to support you. You cannot determine how somebody supports you, and people may even be supporting you while you don't know about it. There are people who can be telling stories about what you're doing. There are people who can be talking to their friends about what you're doing, or talking to their friends about your business. But just for the fact that they don't tell you doesn't mean that they don't support you. So instead of focusing on getting that support, getting that recognition from people, getting the accolades, just focus on making progress. Focus on getting yourself out of that position of stagnation that you're in, and see how you can put things together to move you forward. Because when you do that, you will not really care about whether people are giving you the accolades, or whether people are calling you and finding out if you're doing okay and all that. So it's not really support that we want, but we really want to see progress. I just wanted to put that out today, that someone may hear, someone who is feeling stuck, that they're not getting support, they're not getting encouragement for all the work that they're putting in. And also you have to know that when you start thinking about that, it makes you become a little bit vengeful. It makes you start feeling like, oh, when I get this done, or when I start, when I become big, or when I blow, like they say, I'll be able to select who will come by me. It just makes you feel like limited. So don't always put yourself in that state of crying that you want support for something that it's your dream. You don't need support. The dream was given to you. The business you're building, when you were building it, you didn't ask for anybody's concern to see that, oh bro, if I'm feeling stuck on this stuff, will you support me when it's not going? You didn't ask for the concern. So by the time when you get stuck, don't try to find support from outside. As long as you keep on putting in the work, as long as you keep on going and finding ways to make progress, the support will keep coming in. Most people want to see things happen before they get involved, and that's totally fine. That's totally fine. It's just the way life is. In life, there are two sets of people. There are people who are leaders and there are people who are followers. So leaders are not supposed to be looking at the followers and saying, oh, I'm not getting a lot of support from the followers, I'm not getting a lot of support from my followers, so I'm not able to do this, or life is not good, or people are crazy. You can't say that. People's life are as complex as your life is. People are also dealing with their issue, and they can say the same thing for you, that you are not checking on them, you don't care about them, you don't care about their own needs, you don't care about how things are going in their life, and all you're crying for is support. So life is complex for everyone, and we have to understand that. And if somebody appreciates what you are doing, take that and move ahead. But it doesn't mean that that is all of it, because you have to know that regardless of whether you're seeing progress, regardless of whether people are clapping for you, regardless of whether you're getting the accolades, regardless of whatever, you always have to keep on going. That is how you get to where you want to go. And if you're wasting time sitting there thinking, when they support you, that's when you feel motivated to get to your dreams will keep on dying. That business, you keep on dying, and you'll be focused on totally wrong things. And each time you try to focus on getting support, you find out that what you're doing is not really that purposeful as it used to be, because all what you'll be doing, everything that you'll be doing around your business or around your dreams will be so that you get support from people. And that's not what you want to do. You do not want to do everything to please people, because when you do that, you are not pleasing yourself, and you cannot be happy, or you cannot make someone else happy if you're not happy. So do make sure that you focus on making progress, no matter how small. 1% every day is better than 10% in a week, or 20% in one year. Just go 1% every single day. No matter how small the progress is, if it's just writing a single paragraph about the dream, or about putting something in place just to make sure that you make progress, you will feel better. That feeling of not getting support will wear off over time, and in no time you will find yourself in a place that you want to be, and the universe will start connecting you with those who are needed to support you. It's not every kind of support that you need. The thing one of the most important things you should do, and you should know, when you're following your dreams or when you're building your business, is not those who are with you now that are the truest fans or anything. People will come to you. I always say this thing, that people want to share the profits but do not want to share the loss. And so you have to put that in your mind. People always come when there are profits to be eaten, and go away when there's a loss. So now, in your time of loss, don't cry. Give yourself time. Do what you have to do. Work on building your dreams. Work on building that business. Work on the project that you're working on. Make sure that you do 1% every day. If you focus on doing just 1% every day, it won't even take you up to 3 days for that feeling to wear off. You'll be back where you want to be, and then you see your life get into the direction that you want to go. I wish you a blessed day, and I pray that God blesses you today, and best of luck as you pursue your dreams. Bye-bye.